Have you ever ordered food online only to watch your delivery guy take the weirdest route possible? Well, believe it or not, every time you stream Netflix, send a meme, or ask ChatGPT for dating advice, your data is doing the same thing, zooming around the world on a crazy invisible highway. But these highways don't have street signs or Google Maps. They're powered by routers, packets, protocols, and things with way too many acronyms. Today, we're hopping into the passenger seat with your data and going on a journey across the internet's invisible roads. Buckle up. Meet Danny, your friendly neighborhood data packet. Danny was born when you typed "Hey" to your friend on WhatsApp. Just 3 letters, but he's got a mission. Travel from your phone in Ohio all the way to your friend's phone in Seoul. And Danny's not going alone. He's part of a squad like a digital Avengers team. Together, they carry your message in tiny chunks. Think of it like mailing a jigsaw puzzle piece by piece, one piece per envelope. Your friend gets all the envelopes, opens them up, and assembles the message. Hey, or maybe a weird meme you found at 3 a.m. These little envelopes are data packets, and they travel across the internet's network, hopping from device to device, router to router, like digital hitchhikers. Now, how does Danny even know where to go? That's where IP addresses come in. Think of every device connected to the internet, your phone, your laptop, your smart fridge, that probably knows too much about you. They all have an IP address. It's like a home address, but instead of 123 Maple Street, it's something like 192.168. 1.1. But here's the thing: you don't type in IP addresses when you want to visit Instagram. That would be chaos. Instead, you type Instagram.com, and the internet uses something called DNS, the Domain Name System. DNS is basically the internet's phone book, or, more accurately, your mom's contact list. You don't dial her number, you tap Mom EDR, and your phone knows what to do. DNS says, ah, yes, Instagram.com, that's 157.24, whatever, I got you. Then Danny and his packet pals know where to head. All right, Danny's got the address, but he still needs to leave your house. That starts with your Wi-Fi router, that sacred little blinking box everyone blames when the internet stops working. Your phone sends data to the router, like, yo, pass this to Danny, he's got somewhere to be. The router says, cool, but I can't go far. Let me call my buddy the modem. The modem is like the bouncer that lets your data leave your house and join the big global party. It talks to your ISP, your internet service provider. Think of the ISP as the highway entrance. It says, all right, Danny, you're good. I'll put you on the fast lane to Korea. And just like that, Danny's on his way. And yes, your ISP is the one charging you $70 a month for up to 100 megapaus that somehow disappears during Zoom calls. Let's say Danny's on the highway now, but the internet isn't one straight road. It's more like a mess of roundabouts in a spaghetti bowl. Routers are like the traffic cops. They decide which path Danny should take next. If one road's congested, they redirect. Sometimes Danny takes the scenic route. That's why, when you're playing Call of Duty, your bullet hits 2 seconds late. That's called latency, the delay between your action and the internet's response. And when it gets really bad, Danny's friends, the other packets, might not even arrive at all. That's packet loss. It's like inviting 8 friends to your birthday party and only 5 show up because the others got stuck in traffic. The result? Glitches, buffering, you yelling "why" into the void. That's why gamers scream about ping. It's the measurement of how fast Danny can ping the server and get a response back. Low ping and a appy gamer. High ping, broken keyboards. So, how does Danny get across the ocean? Not by airplane, not even Wi-Fi. Most of your data actually travels through undersea fiber optic cables, literal cables laid across the ocean floor, connecting continents like high-speed spider silk. Fiber optics use light to send data. Like actual light beams, it's laser tag for your memes. In some areas, like remote villages or Elon Musk's backyard, satellites beam data through space. So yeah, your LOL text might have literally bounced off a satellite. That's wild. So next time your YouTube video takes a second to load, remember Danny, the tiny data packet who had to dodge lag, jump routers, dive under the ocean, and race through laser beams? Just to bring you that cat video, text message, or painfully awkward Zoom freeze frame. The internet may be invisible, but its roads are some of the most amazing, complex highways ever built. And now, you officially understand how it all works. If you learned something, smash that like button. If Danny made you laugh, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's something else about tech you wish someone explained this simply?